Hey, all you viewers of the name later, how we doing today? Man, this one blew me away. It really, really did. And I never ever thought I would say this about this company. Everyman Jack is back on the channel. I know. I thought we were done with him. Nope. Stay tuned after we roll the intro. I'm going to tell you everything you need to know about this bottle and why this really turned me around. All right, everybody, thank you so much for staying past that intro. Now I have to get this out of the way. It's like saying batteries not included. If you are under the age of 13 and you are watching this video, please stop now. I am not in the mood to catch a COPPA violation because you're doing something you're not supposed to do. All right, guys. I'm sure by now, if you guys have watched any other YouTubers recently, you've heard about COPPA, or if you've turned on YouTube, you've heard about it. So I'm really not in the mood to lose my channel because someone's doing something they ain't supposed to do. Now, for you first-time viewers on my channel, I know that was weird, but I want to take one moment to talk to you. I want to say thank you from the bottom of my heart for finding this video, and I'm very, very grateful for the time you're about to give me today. I know it's your most precious commodity, and I hope to treat it right. All right, guys, we have brought Everyman Jack to the channel before. It's been well documented. Look up top. You're going to see a card for every single beard care, skin care, hair care, whatever from them we've brought, sitting right up there. I basically was like, I'm done. Nothing more, I'm done. Tried a deodorant from them. Frickin' loved it. So that's coming to the channel. I have those 2 body washes that I've been promising a while ago that I've yet to shoot the video on, and I've got to get that out of the way. At that point, I went, okay, I'm done. I was walking through Walmart like we usually do, you know, on the way to the frickin' outdoor section to go check out the knives, and something caught my eye. We were walking through, you know, soap, shampoos, everything. And I went, wow, holiday kits are out already? And it was a Wild Willie's kit. And I'm like, yeah, pass. Look right under it, and there was a 4-pack of Everyman Jack stuff. The blue label caught my eye instantly. I went, wow, all right, something new, what the hell? And as you may have seen by, you know, that intro, it's got shea butter. I went, all right. It came with a balm, a wash, an oil, and I think it's a sandalwood comb. I'm probably not going to use it because I don't like the way the bigger tines look, and I have some other stuff that I love, but I'm going to do a full review on that kit as well. But enough with this other wonderful crap. I was blown away when I used this. But I'm going to tell you why. In a moment. We got to get through all the other fun stuff. You can find them at www.everymanjack.com. They are made in the USA, and they're proud to say that, you know, they do as much stuff possible here in the United States of America. They try to source a lot of their ingredients locally around their manufacturing plants as well, and I think that's pretty freaking cool. They are the official cleaning product of Tough Mudder. Now, I got to tell you like this. This company tries to hit all of the high points, you know, vegan-free, you know, vegan-friendly, cruelty-free, no animal testing, you know, no phthalates, you know, their bottles contain 50%, you know, recycled materials. They do everything they can do to promote healthy stuff in their products. I like that. I really, really, truly do. The other thing I thought was awesome is, yet again, when I went by the web store to do homework on this, the web store has changed yet again. It seems like every time I'm going there, they're trying to update. They're trying to bring new stuff. They're trying to promote better things about themselves. And I went, all right, got me yet again. Took me a little bit more to get through some stuff, but I found better info this time. First of all, you know, the company name Everyman Jack is based off an old English idiom that means group of men. I thought that was cool how they went, I like the way that sounds, they tweaked it a little, bam, there you go. Now, in 2007, Rich Viola, hope I said that right, Rich, if I didn't, forgive me, he set out to make a better, you know, make better men's grooming products. I guess at that point, they were ridiculously expensive and loaded with a lot of chemicals. And Rich went, I gotta do something different about this. So he got basically 15 products together, and he got his first partnership with Target with those original 15. Now, what dominated things for Rich, I shouldn't say not dominated, but severely transformed his life, is in 2009, Oprah Magazine featured their shave kit in its, you know, favorite things gift guide, and man, Rich's world just blew the F up. I like the fact that he listens to feedback and he's making changes. As you guys know, by like those beard oils I brought to the channel before, one I liked, well, I should say I was on the fence on. The other one I went, it's got to get out of my beard. This one, when I tried it, wow. Now I have to tell you, if you don't like coconut, this is not going to be the one for you, because it does have coconut oil in there, and it's got a very coconut based scent. So it may not be for you. Now, like I said, I found this in that 4-pack at Walmart. I believe it cost me $15. On Everyman Jack, it's going to run you $25 for that 4-pack, and on Amazon, it's going to run you $21.99. Now, if you just want the beard oil itself, on everymanjack.com, it's $10, and I couldn't find it on Amazon. Now, I know you guys are going, hey, what's the ingredients? What's the ingredients? Well, here we go. Safflower oil, olive oil, soybean oil, shea butter, coconut oil, tocopherol, which is basically like a vitamin E, if I've got that exactly correct, argan oil, borage oil, linseed oil, coumarin, I hope I'm saying that right, liniment-D, and fragrance. So they put a bunch of healthy stuff in there, and I've got to really double check the last couple ones. I believe they're really, really good for you, not really chemically, but those were the scientific names that I didn't want to break it down to, the Crayola crayon eating level where I'm at. All right, this one felt incredible in beard. I went, is it going to be the same crap as last time, weighing down my beard, bad scent, whatever? No, it felt incredible. It felt like it was doing stuff to my beard. The coconut smell was a warm, neat surprise. I was like, wow, this is kind of neat, as opposed to the other one I had, and I think it was the cedar that really, really, really set me off. But like I said, it's in that card, and when I double check, if I didn't put a card up there, look up top, every single beard care, skin care, hair care. So one of these two is going to have that card sitting there. All right. Now, if you're unfamiliar with beard oil, it's okay. It's got 3 great uses. Number 1 is it's a vitamin supplement for your skin. I know. You're going beard oil for your skin? Yes. Your body can only produce so many healthy oils, and one of the big ones is sebum, in order to keep your hair growing out nice, healthy, long, luxurious, and beautiful. Doubt me? Seriously. I know I'm a little bit bald and stuff, but go a week without showering, or go a couple days without showering, go through your normal routine. This is going to be greasy as all get out. This is going to be dry, brittle, bird's nesty, breaky, split ends. It needs hydration. It needs vitamin supplements. It needs great stuff. Beard oil is a perfect thing for it. Second thing beard oil is great at is getting, your beard softer. No one wants to curl up with a cactus because your better half is going to give you the Heisman. That, whoa, and you ain't going to be able to get close to them. And third is that scent profile is going to linger in your beard for a while and make it smell incredible. So you're going to have a healthier beard, a softer beard, and a much better smelling beard. Those are great uses of beard oil. Now, this one has a pump top. All right. So I can't really show you the oil, but that's it right there. And as you see, it's not running down fast. So in essence, to use this one, you pump whatever amount you need right into your hands, like you usually do with every other beard oil. You get whatever amount in your hands. And this is what I do. Everybody else does as well. You start rubbing your hands together to warm it up and activate that scent profile. Yeah, that coconut is awesome. Sorry, I would apply it into my beard right now, but I have something else in there that I'm testing out, and I don't want the coconut interfering with it. Then after you get it in your hands, you rub it all the way right down into your skin, and you groom your beard out to whatever length you need it at. Well, not length, but, the style you want it at. Sorry, it's been a long night and hardly any sleep, and kind of really excited about this one. I got to admit, I really like the beard wash in that one as well, as opposed to the sandalwood one I brought to the channel before, which I disliked. So I got to admit, I'm getting really turned around on Everyman Jack. And I also want to say this as a huge disclaimer. I have yet to watch Stancy Bearded's review of them. I wanted my stuff, my own opinions, and everything else. Not saying that Teach influences you, but when you start hearing about something, and you go, well, okay, well, yeah, let me go check that out. Let me try this. Yeah, you start putting it into your mind, and you have preconceived notions. I didn't want that. I will watch the Teach's review here after I shoot a couple other ones, because I want to hear what he has to say. But with all that fun stuff being said, can you give me one more? You know I can't have you on video, so just chill for a moment, all right? Do you want to say hi to everybody?
Yeah.
Say it real loud. Go, hi, everybody. I can't have you in the video, baby. It might cause Daddy a fine.
Yeah.
So just say hi.
Hi.
All right, here. Ah, don't get in the video.
Okay.
I saw that face. Go away. Sorry, guys. If you know anything about COPPA, I don't even want to risk running that fine. Yet I'm a little worried with having her talk in the background, but I need to get these videos shot. So like I said, here's the best part of the video for me. I want to know your questions, comments, love, hatred, anger, whatever down below in the comment section. I really want to know, have you used this one by Everyman Jack, you know, their Shea Butter one? Blew me away. It really, truly did. You know, like I said, I do like their deodorant with the activated charcoal that I tried. I thought that was phenomenal, and it worked wonders for me. It really, truly did. So that will be coming to the channel. For that, you know, you can take that one right to the bank. I got to shoot that video later on today. But, you know, have you had successes with it? Have you used it? Have you had failures with it? I really want to know. Okay? Now, let's get the wrap up out the way so I can get to the editing on this stuff and get it uploaded for you guys. For you first-time viewers of the channel, I want to say thank you so much from the bottom of my heart for viewing this video. I know there's lots of options out there on YouTube, like I said in the beginning, and I'm grateful for the time you gave me. Hopefully I earned a lot more of it today. Now, for you first-time viewers of the channel and you long-time viewers who have yet to subscribe, here's your second chance at redemption. Look right down there. You're going to see a big channel symbol popping up. Go ahead, click on that thing. It should bring you right to subscribe. After you've knocked that out the way, please destroy the bell icon that's right next to it, or the notification icon, however you want to call it. Why? Great question. Because it's going to notify you, my amazing viewer, every single time this channel uploads a brand new video. Now, speaking of videos, two are going to be popping up over here. Those are going to be videos that YouTube is going to select from my catalog that they think are going to be a great viewing experience for you. But there we go, guys. I honestly feel it's a redemption for Everyman Jack. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope all of you have a great day today.